To demonstrate our system in action, let's take a look at how a video game designer might use MoodCubes to envision an upcoming project. Gary is a designer interested in creating a MoodCube to inspire the design direction for a level of a video game. The level is set to take place in a forest, so he starts by dragging in multiple photos from the file browser on his computer. After the images are imported, a generated 3D representation of their contents can be positioned, rotated, and dynamically scaled within the scene. Using the tool menus on the left, he can also duplicate and delete the assets entirely. Gary first decides he'd like to position all of the assets along the right side wall. First, he uses the scene-wide rotation tool to turn all of the imported assets. After confirming the changes, he then uses the alignment tool to move them all against the wall. After adding more assets, Gary browses different inspiration materials in the lower suggestions menu. This menu includes 3D primitive forms, lighting effects inspired by the currently selected asset, related colors, related images, descriptive asset keywords, and related 3D models from Sketchfab. He drags to import a couple of these suggestions and repeats the process to start fleshing out the cube's design. As different themes emerge in the cube, Gary adds 2 audio files along the MoodCube's walls. When he rotates the scene to look at different sides of the cube, the system fades the sounds in and out based on the audio file's spatial position. Throughout the cube design process, Gary pressed the plus button at the top of the screen to save multiple versions of the MoodCube. At the end of the session, he realizes he accidentally deleted a tree asset that he'd like to retrieve. He clicks the versions button and the previously saved cubes surround the main cube. He finds a deleted tree and clicks the restore button to bring it back to the current scene. With the MoodCube design complete, Gary takes a step back to reflect on its design. He decides to explore different mood options using the lens tool and comes across a blue lighting filter that makes the scene feel more night-like. He also rotates the cube to explore the unique themes displayed at different viewing angles,